So now that we've got our CSS library linked up, we're going to start to write a little bit of JSX into our app component inside the index.js file. Now we're just going to write out a little bit of JSX inside of here. And probably we're going to copy paste 2 times to get that list of 3 different comments that we eventually want to end up with. So, okay, let's start. So first, let's begin by removing that text here. All right, so now inside of here, beginning with the div that has a class name of UI comment. And then next we can do a div with a class name of comment. All right, so this div is going to represent one single comment by itself. And then inside there, I'm going to put a anchor tag with an href of /. So this is a link that takes us nowhere because we don't have any navigation going on just yet, but hold on. So after that, I'll just give it a class name of an avatar. And now inside of that anchor tag, I'm going to place an image. And what I'll do is I'll give it an alt text just in case our image does not load up properly. And I'll say profile picture. Now, of course, we don't have any images to load up just yet, but stay tuned. So right now I'm not going to put on any SRC properties. I'll just close off the image tag and we'll put an image in there in a minute or so. Anyway, all right, so moving on. Under the anchor tag, I'm going to put a div with a class name of content. And I'm going to do another anchor tag with the href of / and a class name of author. And then I'll give it a name, let's say Sarah. All right, so this is going to be the author's name. So after that's complete, under the anchor tag, I'll put a div. And I want to do a class name of metadata, and I'll close it off. Now inside of it, I will put a span with the class name of date and close it. And then inside of there, I'll put the time. So I'll say that this comment was posted today at 5 p.m., we'll say. So then lastly, I will do the div with the class name of text, and then this is going to be the comment part. So I'll say, it's amazing. And then I'm going to save this and go back over to my browser and let's check it. All right, well, that's it. So if you see any error messages appear right here, that means you probably made a typo somewhere as we were putting together the JSX. So just do a quick double check with mine, and I'm sure that you'll find the error somewhere. It's just going to be a typo. So we've got our first comment put together, but we have an image to put inside of our JSX. So take a break for now, and then you can move on to the next section.